In this video we want to show you Magnum Double Caramel Ice Cream. This one got bought in a supermarket in Germany and is available in whole Europe. Let's have a look at the packaging first. One ice cream weighs 73 grams and contains 246 calories. Each pack contains 4 pieces of Magnum Double Caramel. Let us open the box now and get them out. Okay, now we are unboxing them. Let's have a bite to see how the ice cream look from inside. There are different chocolate layers surrounding the center with ice cream. Between the chocolate layers you can find lots of caramel sauce. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.